Imagine waking up on Mars. The light of a distant sun filters through the red dust and into your home beneath a glass dome. Above you, a sky that has never known rain. This is not a dream. This is the year 2060. And you are waking up inside the first house ever built beyond Earth. Its walls are not made of brick or stone. They were 3D printed from the dust of Mars itself. The lifeless turned into the living. In the kitchen, a robot chef greets you. It already knows your nutritional balance and prepares your breakfast in silence. A holographic screen glows on the wall. A sandstorm is approaching in 6 hours. No panic. Your home seals itself automatically, and the air filters hum quietly. You walk through curved corridors lit by soft white light. The floor adjusts to your steps, balancing gravity and warmth. In the living room, a panoramic window opens to the horizon, a vast red desert under a pale sun. You once saw this view in NASA photos. Now it's your daily morning view. Children play nearby, their toys are robotic pets, learning from their voices, responding to laughter, watering the plants in the oxygen greenhouse. When night comes, the dome turns transparent. Through it, thousands of stars shine in silence, and somewhere among them, a tiny blue dot. Earth. This house is more than architecture. It's a declaration that humanity can bring warmth and life even to the coldest world. The first home on Mars isn't the end of exploration. It's where a new story begins.